S1 test, discrete random variables. In all A-level papers, show actually means prove. You cannot use the answer. So to complete part 1, I'm going to use the fact that if we add all the probabilities together, we must get 1. So 5 over 21 plus 2k over 21 plus 7 over 21 plus k over 21 must equal 1. So 12 over 21 plus 3k over 21 is 1. 3k over 21 would have to equal 9 over 21. 3k is 9 and k is therefore 3 as asked for. Expectation of x is the sum of the x values times their probabilities. So 2 times 5 over 21 plus 3 times 2k, 6 over 21, plus 4 times 7 over 21, plus 6 times 3 over 21, which gives us 74 over 21. It's okay to leave your answer as a fraction. Remember, if you are going to rewrite it as a decimal, make sure that you give your answer to 3 significant figures, which would be 3.52. As I said, this would be the most preferable answer. Next part, then we want the expectation of x squared. And for this, we are going to square the x values and multiply by their probabilities. So 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, and 6 squared. And this gives us 14. And finally, we were asked to find the variance. And the variance is the expectation of x squared minus the expectation of x all squared. So that's 14 minus 74 over 21 all squared, which gives us an answer of 1.58. And again, that is to 3 significant figures. Question 2 is still a discrete random variable, but we're given a formula. So I'm going to start by creating a table. I have x values, which can be -1, 0, 1, or 2. And using my formula, the probability of x will be k upon 1 minus -1, so that is 2 squared, so 4k. K upon 1 minus 0, all squared, so that is 1. K upon 1, subtract 1, so that's 0, and that's going to give us a probability of 0. And then k upon 1 minus 2, all squared, and that again is going to give us k. Probabilities always add to give 1. So 4k plus k has to be 1. 6k is 1, k is 1/6, as asked for in the question. Expectation of x is the sum of the x values times their probabilities. So that's -1 times 4k, plus 0 times k, plus 1 times 0, plus 2 times k. And that gives us -1/3. And then asked to work out the variance. So first thing I'm going to work out is the expectation of x squared. So that's -1 squared times 4/6, plus 0 squared times 1/6, plus 1 squared times 0, plus 2 squared times 1/6. And that gives us 8/6, which is 4 over 3. That tells me that the variance of x is the expectation of x squared minus the expectation of x all squared, and that gives us 11 over 9.